Hi guys! Today we are learning how to recover deleted Facebook messages. First, unlock your phone and open the Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into the account where the messages were deleted. Facebook provides several account management and data recovery options. Once the app opens, you're ready to begin. Next, look at the bottom right side of the screen. Tap on your profile icon to access your account menu. This section contains your personal account settings and tools. Here, you can manage your Facebook information. After that, look toward the top left side of the screen. Tap the menu icon to open additional options. A list of account-related features will appear. This is where you'll find settings and privacy controls. Now scroll through the available options. Tap on Settings and Privacy to expand more account settings. This section gives you access to privacy, security, and account management features. You'll need these options for message recovery. Next, tap on Settings from the expanded menu. This will open your Facebook account settings page. Here you can manage personal information and account data. Wait for the settings page to load completely. Once you're inside settings, locate Account Center. Tap on it to access Meta's centralized account management features. This area contains options related to your data and account information. Many recovery and download tools are available here. Now look for the option called Your Information and Permissions. Tap on it to manage your Facebook data. This section allows you to view, download, or transfer account information. It can help you access previously stored message data. Next, select Download Your Information from the available options. Facebook may provide access to data that has been archived with your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to request your information. You can then check whether your message history is included in the downloaded data. And that's how you can check for and recover Facebook message data using Facebook's account tools. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.